Are you worried about the GRE prep? Are you tired of sifting through outdated and confusing resources? There has to be a better way. And there is. Introducing ScholarDen, your personalized solution for GRE preparation. ScholarDen is an online GRE prep platform with official licensed content provided by the GRE test makers. ScholarDen is built to streamline your complete GRE prep under one platform. ScholarDen analyzes your current skill set, sees where the gaps are, highlights which concepts you should focus on, and advises on how many hours you should spend on a specific topic or a section. Personalized plan. Once your profile is analyzed, ScholarDen prepares a personalized study plan for you. Highlights specific lessons and tricks to improve conceptual gaps. After improving your weak areas, jump straight to practice, and you would never miss an important trick tested in the recent GRE exam. ScholarDen tracks your performance on practice questions and mocks and guarantees a better score on the test day. ScholarDen simplifies your GRE preparation all in a single platform. Prepare for the exam smartly in less time and save time to work on scholarships and university applications. ScholarDen, your path to GRE success. Visit scholarden.com to start your GRE preparation journey today.